Hey everybody, it's Christopher Travels, homesteading. How you doing? I hope everyone's doing great out there. I'm doing great. Today's my Sunday. I actually had 2 days off from work. I'm so excited the last couple weeks. I had been filling in for the lead decorator. She was on vacation. She got the virus while on vacation. She's in the hospital, maybe on a ventilator. They were thinking about putting her on a ventilator because she was having a very hard time breathing. So she had not come back yet. She was supposed to come back today, actually, and that ain't happening. So my boss had me scheduled off for 2 days, and she just kept me scheduled off for 2 days, and you know we worked it all out. So I was so happy to be off for 2 days. It was very nice and relaxing. So my friends Bill and Emmy are back. They went to go pick up some of their stuff and their other trailer, and yeah, so it's great to have them back. They're really good company, and I think they keep me fed. That's why I'm like gaining a lot more weight. Emmy, she cooks all the time, and yeah. So today's video, I wanted to share with you a couple things that I got. One of the things I had from last year, it's my diesel heater. I hooked it back up through the window, and I have it running right now. And there is the remote there. And you can run these things by, it's either Celsius or Hertz. The Hertz, right there, it says 1 Hertz. That means it does 1 poof of gas from the fuel pump per second. And you can go up higher. You could do up to, I don't even know how many poofs of gas, but 0.8 is the lowest. So I've been keeping it about 1, and in here it is 71 degrees in here, and it's super windy outside. So another thing, my mom sent me my Alexa, and basically my mom was sending me birthday / Christmas gift, and I said, can you smuggle the A word in the box, because they use Google Nest, not that. So I'm like, and plus that's mine anyway. I just left it with her when I left California because she was still using it, and I was like, okay. But since she's not using it, I was like, can you put her in the box and send her to me? So basically what I do is I play music through her. I have a favorite streaming music. It's commercial free. You can stream it too on your phone or on your computer as long as you have internet. You can go to krkyfm.com, and it plays nonstop, no commercials whatsoever, just amazing music. It's country, it's a lot of maybe 80s, 90s country, and then it plays classic rock music. So let's see what it's playing now. I'll tell her to turn it on. Ready? Alexa, play KRKY.
KRKY from TuneIn.
Country. Alexa, stop. That was Leanne Rhymes. But so that was a country song, and what they usually do is they alternate, and they play the most cool. They play Heart, they play Journey, they play, those classic rock bands and stuff. And it's like soft rock, and some other stuff, and yeah. Anyway, it's always enjoyable. I don't think I don't hear a song I don't already know that I don't already, love. So that's what I use her for mostly. And then I, of course ask her or say good morning to her, and then yeah. So also there's another thing I want to show you. There is a homesteading family on YouTube that have been doing this for 10 plus years, and they're called My Little Homestead. Well, Kelly sent me a a Christmas gift, and I'm going to show you guys. It's right here. It's this mug, and basically one of the daughters of the family draws every week. There's a new drawing. She makes a drawing of what the weekly, they put out their vlogs on Fridays. Anyway, so she draws about an image about the week. Oh, I'm having a tough time talking right now. Anyway, slow down. ADHD at its finest. So she draws an image that is similar to what they're doing in the vlog that week. So they also have a podcast and a recap thingy on Wednesdays. So I usually watch the Friday things. But that mug, that design it kind of reflects what Kelly and I want to do here on the homestead. And I was so excited to get it, and it's amazing. I love it. So I wanted to show you that. What else do I want to show you? Okay, so it's super windy outside, but I want to show you the diesel heater outside, just in case you're new to this channel. I want to show you what the setup looks like. So hold on one second. Let me put my shoes on. Ooh, it's so beautiful out here, except for the wind. Okay, so it's running right now. That's the diesel heater right in there. I made this stand for it. And there's all the juicy stuff. And then I extended the exhaust today. I got that 4-inch pipe and then heavy duty aluminum. I wrapped it around about 10 times and put a hose clamp on both ends, and it's doing great. It is kind of hot. It's all good. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I see little birdies out there. Little birdies. I gotta show you, since Bill and Emmy got back, they brought back their other trailer. Let's see if I can see the birds. Cute little birdies. Okay, let me show you this cool hangout area that we made. Sorry for the wind. And we got a bunch of lights, Christmas lights. It's all lit up. Christmas lights there and there and there. And they got some Christmas lights up there. But let me show you. We put a little hangout area. Well, they did. Right here, there's a couch and everything. We're going to adjust it, and we're going to kind of enclose this area. Oh, they left their air pump on. They'll get that when they get back. Anyway, they just went in. Bill and Emmy went into the post office and stuff. So anyway, we still have snow up there. It's been pretty cold. Oh, my little car. So, even though it's windy, it's very beautiful. It's been sunny. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you the exhaust. I put a little mesh right at the end there. It's not even hot coming out. I gotta fix this. There we go. Flap away, flags. Oh man. Oh, I forgot to tell you another thing Alexa can do. Well, you can't see it right now because it's daylight, but I have the Christmas lights attached to a smart plug. The smart plug, it's right there. But let me see if she'll do it. Alexa, turn on plug 1.
Okay.
Oh, there, you could see a green light's on. Alexa,
I didn't.
turn off plug 1.
Okay.
That is so cool. I love it.
I'll do my best.
Cool, Alexa.
I don't know that.
Never mind. I love it. My hair is so horrible. Whoa, I'm gonna fall. I need a haircut. Where are the haircutting nomads? Can you stop by and give me a haircut? Oh yeah, here's a couple smart. Let me adjust. Let me make sure you're not. Zoom. Okay, can you see me? There you go. Here's a couple more smart plugs. I got 4 of them for, I think it was like 20 bucks. So, oh, one other thing. I got this at work. And it plays music. Wait, hold on. But I thought that was cute. It made me smile. Okay, I guess that's it for sharing at the moment. And my fridge is also doing okay. It's still working. That's good. So I haven't gotten a new one yet. I just don't have the funds at the moment. So let's see what else. I guess that's it. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey, and more homesteading stuff. It's gonna come up, but in the meantime, I'm just popping in to say hi and showing you what I'm doing. I love you all. Live life to the fullest. I'll see you soon. Bye.